Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can set schedule power on or off on your Android phone. So in here, you can start by clicking on this settings apps on your Android phone, and here find the system menu. And if you scroll down, you can just click on this task timer, or if you cannot find it, you can just use the search bar at the top. Click on task timer. In here there will be this options, and in here you can see the schedule power on or off. So tap on that, and here it divided into two, the power on and also off. So you can just choose the schedule. Here you can adjust the time and also the days. So for example, for the weekdays, I'm going to set the time. So click on the time in here. If you want to change it, just tap the time again. For example, I'm going to go with 6 in the morning. Click on OK. Here you can adjust the repeat. So I'm going to go with the weekdays, Monday until Friday. Click on OK and tap on a check icon. And for the weekend, here you can also change it to how you like it. You can tap on the time again, click on OK, and also the repeat. Now click on OK and click on the check icon. And you can also do the same with the schedule powered off. And so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thumb on the thanks. Bye.